Guys, can I show you my disco ball? So I go to the gym, but I do prefer working out at home. But I just want to give myself as much motivation as I can. And one of the things that I think is really cute is when you go, people do cycling, where they put the disco lights on. I think it's really fun. So I wanted to buy some for home. And I settled on this type. I actually bought two of them. I have one which I have keep flat, which is this one I keep flat because there is a stand at the bottom to angle it and like a suction cup to pop it up. I'll show you the other one in a moment, but this one I do keep flat. And you get with it a little remote control, so you can range through all the colours and how it all works. I tend to have it on A7. It has an on-off switch here, so if you want to keep it permanently on-off. And obviously there's the power point there as well. And it's a really simple, cute device. Now, it's obviously daytime now, so I'll show you what it looks like now. And then I'll show you what it looks like in the dark. So yes, it does. It does do the thing. Even in daylight, it's pretty cool. So yeah, I'll show you in a moment what it looks like in the evening. But and I'll show you the other one as well with the stand on the feet. I just think it's really fun. So you close your curtains, you put your workout on, and you can just dance with abandon like it was like the 1980s and 90s and just jump around like a loon. But yeah, it's really cute, does the thing. I might get a third one because I think it'd be like a really good combined experience. But yeah, totally recommend. Let's take a look at what it looks like at night time. And just quickly, this is the base of the other one, which has the hinge, so you can sucker this down using this. I don't use it for that reason, to be honest. I know a lot of people do. I've read the reviews saying that they do that, but I just like having it at an angle so it goes upwards to my ceiling. So yeah, that's my second one. Should I get a third? Anyway, let's show you what it looks like in the night time. Well, it's evening and it's time for disco ball. So I absolutely love it. I know it's weird. But yeah, you've got your different types. You can use one remote per one, or you can use you can share it. So there's different settings. You've got flash, which is very vibey. Yeah, I like number 7. So yeah, I absolutely love them. For the value for money, it's awesome. I might get a third one. But there you go. That is the disco lights. And as I say, put them in your basket, check out. If you get them and don't like it, you can just return it to Amazon. They don't mind. That's what, part of the deal. So thank you very much for joining me. And thank you.